Hello guys, I'm back with another interesting video where I have integrated Streamlit with WhatsApp. Okay, so I've created this basic web app which will take in the input the phone number, how many times the message needs to be repeated and the message to be sent. Now there are two options, send now and send later. In the send later you can enter the time and then send the message at that relevant schedule. Prerequisite for this particular web app to work is you need to log into WhatsApp for web, and then the rest the web app will take care of that. This is the library which I have utilized and I have integrated with Streamlit. Okay, you can check this URL pywotkit. Okay, so I'll just explain you from the code as well. So from the libraries section, you need to install pywotkit using the command pip install pywotkit. Okay. If there are any errors related to Flask, then just do pip uninstall Flask Jinja 2. Once it is done, then write again pip install Flask Jinja 2. Your errors would be resolved. Okay. The another package that I'm utilizing is of course the Streamlit package. Another library that I'm using is web browser and PyAutoGUI. Okay, so from the importing libraries part, these are the libraries that you need to have integrated the image and the markdown for marquee text, the title of the web app, the color of the background, and the HTML page. So if you see the left sidebar and the heading WhatsApp for web, okay, with the icon of WhatsApp. Okay, then the main section. So first of all, wait time is the time once it will log into WhatsApp forward, it will take some time to log in and open your charts and all. So I have taken 20 seconds is a basic wait time. Okay, and then now I have then these options of enter phone number, message sent to, and how many times the repeat message. So if you see here, one is help section, enter phone number with country code. This is the help section and this is the predefined number which I am showing. So this can be brought as placeholder. Okay, this is called placeholder, which will give you a kind of explanation that how will the number look like, something like that. Okay, and a help section which will be coming here. Okay, so you need to this is a text input which I'm taking as a phone number. So here you need to write the phone number. Okay, then how many times the message need to be repeated. So for now I'm writing 3 times. Okay, the message that I have written, hey there WhatsApp. Okay, now there are two options of send now and schedule to send later. First I'll give you an example of send now. So okay, so if you go down, message to send, how many times is a number input, then text area message to send. Okay, by default the value is hey there WhatsApp. You can modify it. Then the placeholder is if I delete this, enter message to send. Okay, this is the placeholder. Now I'm dividing the screen into two tabs. First tab is send now, the another tab is schedule to send later. Okay, so if for with tab 1 in the first tab section, you will get a checkbox of send message. If I click on that checkbox, then what will happen is, first of all, the repeat whatever values you have provided here, that many times the message would be repeated. Okay, using the for loop I have written basic simple logic. Okay, and then in the pywotkit I'm just calling this particular function of send WhatsApp message instantly, giving the passing the parameters of phone number to phone here, then the message which is text message on, and wait time to be how much time, which was I had given 20 seconds in the initial part. Okay, and then what I have done is I've added few more logics here which once the message would be sent, it will wait for 5 seconds and then it will close that particular tab of WhatsApp and then return to the Streamlit window. So this was very helpful, where every time new tabs of WhatsApp or web should not open. So it will open a new tab, send the message, close the tab, return back to the Streamlit. Okay, I'll give you a demo for that as well. In the tab section 2, schedule to send later, you get an option of enter the time when you want to send the message. So for now, if I'm giving a message of currently if it is 23:11, I can send a message at 23:15. Okay, so it will just enter, and then when you click on send scheduled message, you can see what will happen. Okay, you can just enter, and then like I'll just 23:13. Okay, and then I'll write send scheduled message. So if you see, in 19 seconds WhatsApp will open, and after 20 seconds message will be delivered. So we'll see a demo of that. WhatsApp web got open. So this is the initial loading time, which I have included in the wait time. So around 20 seconds time I have given, and then once it is there, see, 3 times I have repeated the message. So 3 times message came here, it got delivered, then the tab was closed, and then it returned to the Streamlit window. Similarly, I'll give an example of send now. This time 10 times, and what I'll pass on the message, repeated message. Okay, 10 times repeated message, send now, send message instantly. It will open WhatsApp for web. Repeated message 10 times, send it, it got delivered, and then close the tab, return back to Streamlit. So this was a very simple but efficient way in which I have integrated Python, Streamlit and WhatsApp. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe my channel if you haven't done already. Thank you.